Absolutely need zero money will increase the amount of money you make in a shorter duration of time. No one in the world knows where the market is going next.
You can have more losing trades than winning trades. True or false? Risk management is more important than finding the perfect entry.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Brad at Daytrader Brad on all socials. And today I am bringing you guys a true or false day trading related video. So do me a favor, before you watch, leave a like and subscribe. And at the end of the video, comment what your favorite part was.
True or false? You need a lot of money to start learning how to day trade.
False. You absolutely need zero money to learn how to day trade. Even if you only have a little sum of money, $100, $1,000, $10,000, you can hypothetically scale that to whatever number you want, given enough time has played out.
True or false? You need to trade every day to become a successful trader.
Absolutely false. Most people think the more trades you take in a shorter time span will increase the amount of money you make in a shorter duration of time. But most profitable traders understand that a lot of trading is inaction rather than action, and waiting for specific times to get involved rather than forcing yourself into the market.
True or false? The best traders can know where the market is going next.
Absolutely false. No one in the world knows where the market is going next. But there are tools and concepts readily available to traders that help them anticipate that next move the market's going to make. And the few times that you are right are the few times you make money.
True or false? A profitable trading strategy can have more losing trades than winning trades.
Absolutely true. If you have a strategy where you're only winning 20% of the time, risking 1%, and every time you win 5%, then that's going to make up for the 80% of the time you are losing. Not to mention, in that 80%, there's going to be a handful of break-even trades, stacking the odds in your favor even more that your strategy is going to be profitable while you're losing more than you're winning.
True or false? A good trade can still lose money.
True. A good trade is defined as a trade that meets all of your rules. And I enter in trades all the time where all my rules were met, but the trade doesn't win because it's not supposed to win.
True or false? Risk management is more important than finding the perfect entry.
True. There is no such thing as a perfect entry, and if there was, you will probably very seldom ever get it. You don't need the perfect entry to make money in the market, but you do need good risk management.
True or false? A losing streak means your trading strategy has stopped working.
Absolutely false. Every trading strategy will undergo losses, and every trader will go through losing streaks, and you may not know how long that losing streak is actually going to last. What's important is that you keep your emotions and your risk management in check, because once you make it through those losses, those wins will come.
True or false? Trading with real money is different from trading on a demo account.
True. Trading with live money is definitely different than trading on a demo account. The reason being is when you're on a demo account, a lot of the emotions you would normally feel while on a live account fail to be present, such as hesitation and greed. Being profitable on demo doesn't necessarily mean it'll translate to being profitable on live until you learn how to handle those emotions.
True or false? Day trading is impossible.
This is 100% false and has only ever been said by someone who has tried it and couldn't figure it out, or someone who has never tried it. That wraps up the video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Once again, my name is Brad at Daytrader Brad on all socials, and my goal is to simply share the reality of trading while building out the largest and most simplified day trading educational platform, Market Cycle University.